getting deeper and deeper. And our current crop of health professionals just can't do that. You know, that's not what they're trained to do. They're trained to provide technical medical care to people who are already sick. And so if we get the NHI right, and we also extend the thinking that Robert was speaking about to other sectors, then this is possible in this country. So why is it so important to look at the causes of the causes? This is a picture I took recently in Khayelitsha that shows some children playing at a standpipe. That is the water supply to 400 people in that area. And as you can see, it's surrounded by filth. This is not 20 minutes from where we're sitting now, is where the conditions under which people are living. So this brings me to the issue of inequality. Now, I'm afraid I'm going to repeat some of the stuff that David has said. This slide I made a few years ago, it comes from the presidency. It shows you in the blue and green bars the income of the richest 10 and 20% of South Africans. And if you use a telescope from the back there, you'll see two little brownish dots at the bottom. That's the income of the poorest 10 and 20% of the country. This gap is a time bomb. You know, nothing is going to work unless we close this gap. Nothing. Everything will fall apart. And again, this is a recent study by Leibrand and others that shows you, if you look at, this shows you